can flow, how it can crash. Be water, my friend.
For whatever reason, I want to get ready on camera today. I have a few errands to run. I have to go to B&H. I have to go to the doctor. I have to meet my husband at the movie theaters. So I'm going to see Little, by the way. I'm so excited. I love Issa Rae. I love the little one, Marseille Martin. Well, you know who she is. She's dope, and I think she has a crazy career ahead of her. I'm going to be wearing all black, really casually, the Teva Zamoras that I just upgraded, and my hair in a little French braid with this little piece of cloth that I just cut from this extended piece of fabric that I have just laying around. Anyhow, it's going to be a really clean face for the most part. I am going to put a light layer of foundation. My favorite foundation is Sephora Walnut in the color Walnut. It is, it's my color, my exact color. Right now, if you see that I'm a little pale, that is because I am wearing SPF. I'm wearing the recommended, my dermatologist recommended this one here, La Roche-Posay Minerals Anthelios 50 Mineral SPF. And like I said, that's the one my doctor recommended, so that's the one I'm using. This is where I store my brushes for now, in my little Goya can. I have a video on repurposing cans and jars and things like that. Hopefully I'll get to it soon. Anyhow, I'm going to be using my brush, and it looks just used because it's pretty much just used. I'm going to apply a very thin layer of foundation, like I said, all over, just to cover up this damn SPF, honestly. If it wasn't for the SPF, I wouldn't be wearing foundation right now. So I'm just going to put a light little layer starting in the center of my face and then working it outward toward the rest of my face. I have really, the medication my doctor has put me on has made me really sensitive. My skin is sore all the time now. Putting everything and anything on my skin hurts. It feels like I'm applying something to like an open wound. So I have, yeah, it's made me really sensitive, and I definitely need the SPF for that reason. Oh man, I forgot my powder. Whatever. I'll do the powdering at the end. So I'm not going to worry about over here because my hair is covering that. I really don't like to cover my whole face with foundation, but like I said, I'm so self-conscious of the foundation, of the SPF being so pale on me, that I feel the need to cover a little bit more than I normally would. Just going to bring it down there. I'm going to be doing my eyebrows next. So normally I like to grab a brush and dry my eyebrows because they're greasy from whatever I put on my face, or just from me being greasy because I am pretty oily. By the way, I don't really care about being oily. It doesn't bother me. I feel like being oily is what keeps my skin so youthful. And so I don't complain about it. I've never seen anyone with oily skin looking, you know, kind of, you know, they age. What I'm trying to say is people with oily skin seem to age beautifully. And so I don't mind being extra oily. I've even made peace with the fact that I'm extra sweaty. I sweat a lot. But I made peace with it. I had to make peace with it. It used to be something that embarrassed me as a kid. You know, I have like sweaty spots on my t-shirts, under my arms. And it really used to bug me, but not anymore. I do not care anymore. It's like nature. Why would I care? It doesn't hurt anyone. It doesn't hurt me. Let's see, on a better note, let me just grab this one here. I like this one. This one is by Conair, this mirror here. It's huge. Let me not do that before I mess with the focus. And I can see my entire face. So, yes, my eyebrows are going to stay like this. I am very carefree when it comes to my eyebrows. I like them to look as natural as possible, and so I don't go too heavy-handed with anything, and I don't go perfect with anything, meaning I don't sculpt them out. I just give them a hairy look. You know, I just darken them pretty much, like what I'm doing now with this mascara. This is by Pure. It's old. It's probably like 2 or 3 years old, maybe more. Dried out a long time ago, but it's perfect for brushing my brows since it has a bit of color and it's not overly slippery. It's really nice, dry and sticky, and so it works to give me a messy eyebrow, well, not messy, just natural eyebrow look. Anyhow, I always clean up as I go, even when I'm cooking. So next up, oh my gosh, I forgot my lipstick. One moment. I'm back and I hope that I'm in focus. I've been using my TV as a monitor and I love it because I can really see myself. You all know that I wear glasses and I can't properly see myself when I'm recording myself, so I have to have my laptop right under me, and it's annoying. I'd rather have all this space that I now have by using my TV as the monitor, but it takes my attention away from you often. I'm constantly turning now. I'll figure it out. We'll get through this together because we care about each other. Anyhow, so now I grabbed the I forget, Physicians Formula powder just to help me with my extra shine in these areas that, you know, the shine is not wanted here. It makes me look a bit like a grease ball rather than glowing. There's a difference, you know. Okay, so I want to create a really popping red color. So I'm going to mix red and orange. I want a red-orange lipstick with, you know, the orange undertones versus the blue undertones, which are beautiful for making your teeth look really white. I'm just going to mix red and orange and give myself a customized color. First, I'm going to put down some lip liner. This is by Milani. Milani, I love their lipsticks. I love their lip liners, especially their matte lipsticks. Their matte beauty lipsticks. Anyhow, just following my lip line here. I have crooked lips. I've mentioned this in the past, so I have to kind of work with what I have, you know. I have lips like Rocky, but I don't mind. It's something that's really like, it's strong in my family, crooked Rocky type lips. I have a brother named Javier. He passed away, but I feel like I look a lot like him. He has really crooked lips, and we talk the same way. So I'm gonna kind of blend it out, you know, give it a fading, pretty look, and then I'm gonna go in with the Matte Iconic by Milani. So this is really pretty and pretty enough in my opinion, but I do want a more popping red. I want it to be kind of like, you know, like a disruptive orangey red. So I'm going to apply a little bit of Matte Luxe by Milani to the center of my lips. You see, it gives me more trouble. I want a bit more trouble with my lipsticks. I'm going to go back with the red lip liner just to bring back a little red. This is a lot like painting. It's like you're creating an illusion of what you want people to see. And this is why you can't even bother people asking them about their lipstick or anything, because a lot of people customize. I customize everything, pretty much. Everything for me is really, really personalized. And I figure that's just because I don't find the perfect anything, and so I have to create the perfect everything for myself. So this looks nice. You see I have a nice clean wash of makeup, really clean skin. I love this foundation. If you're my color, if you're olive skin, if you have that green color, yellow color, I'm very green, very yellow, and this is just, it matches my complexion beautifully, as you can see from my neck. Hopefully the SPF is kind of hidden away, but this is just a beautiful color for me. Again, that's Walnut by Sephora. So this is really fast. I'm pretty much done, but I'm gonna keep going just to make the video more interesting for you all. I'm gonna take some of my lipstick and apply it as a blusher. So I'm gonna be needing to look at myself here. I like applying it right there to the chubby part of my face, which is my face. It's just everywhere is chubby in my face. All my weight goes to my face. A really light wash there. I hope the camera picks it up because it really does make a really pretty difference. So now I have to go back in with a little bit of powder because I brought back the greasy feeling, the greasy look. You know, when my face is really shiny is when I really see how chubby it is and how full it is. I look like a ball sometimes. Anyhow, so that is it for the face. I'm going to put my, I wish I had my wipes. I left them over there somewhere because, you know, when you don't really put a lot of makeup on the regular, you can't really prep for a video the way you should, because you don't really know what's regular. So you have to kind of, you have to do it often to get used to it. And that's why I'm always falling short. I'm always forgetting something, because I don't put makeup on regularly. Anyhow, these are pearl earrings. I thrifted them, got them at a really, really great price. And I love them. They look so cute on me. I have multiple ear holes here. I have 3 on my earlobe, and inside the conch, I think it's called, I have that one, which is my favorite piercing. For a long time, I just wore my conch piercings. They look so cool. I love them. So I'm gonna go get dressed now. I'm wearing a black dress, cotton thick black dress. It has a slit in the back side right above my tush, so it shows the skin in that area, which I love. I thrifted this dress from Goodwill so long ago, and I probably only wore it once, but I knew I loved it, so I kept it. I'm gonna wear my black Tevas that I just made, my all black custom Tevas, and a pair of socks, whatever. I really wanted to wear my husband's knit socks, but I don't know, they have too much pilling, so I'm just gonna probably wear a white pair of socks. And that's it, and a blazer most likely. Let me just go get ready so you can see. So this is a really casual outfit for Friday. I am wearing a thrifted dress, a cotton dress, long black ribbed by Loue&Grey. I have to change my underwear because the underwear is cutting my butt. So you see how it's cutting my butt? So I'm also wearing this blazer, which I thrifted. Oh my gosh, I should get closer so you can see me. But the closer I get, the more I look gross because of the blinding white light. You know, no one likes to see the false light. I tell you all, I do not want to give you false light material on here, but I live in the back of the building, and if you're a New Yorker, you know what I mean. It's dark as hell. So, quickly, the dress, as you already saw, it's black, plain, stretchy, very comfortable. The blazer is Topshop. Very comfortable, fits me beautifully, loose, thin, perfect for spring. Really nice, really nice. I got it from Goodwill as well. My earrings were thrifted online. They are pearl earrings, so I'm a lady now. And of course, you know the tie. I already told you I cut it from here. Extra piece of fabric that I had laying around. So this is, if I were to wear makeup every day, this would be my everyday makeup look. The lips would change according to my mood, but the skin will be clean. The eyes will be pretty much nude, nothing on my eyes, bare-faced or bare eyes. I have showed you my shoes. These are the shoes I made yesterday. Teva Zamora, all black, customized by me. And the socks are sheer black ankle socks. I feel like white would have been like matte predictable, so I didn't want to go that route. Again, thank you for watching, liking, subscribing, and sharing. Please hit your notifications so that you are aware of my uploads, and I'll talk to you soon. Have a great weekend. I'm trying to figure out my thumbnail, but my bra is showing. My bra is a liar, by the way. This is making me look like I got something, but, you know, I don't. Thank you for watching. Empty your mind.